So today I asked you to look at a square, and I asked you to double the size of this square today. So let's share some of our ideas. So tell us what you did here.
So the first thing we did is that we multiplied the area by 2, and we did that because the length and the width is 2, and we got 8.
Okay.
So we did another square like this, but so it made like a reflection,
Okay.
translation, and rotation.
So my question to you is, here you see, she says the original's right here. In this shape here, the image, it says it's doubled. This shape here and this shape here, is this double this shape here? What is it? What can it be? Yeah. It's actually been translated to the other side. Whether it is a slide or a reflection, in this case it looks like it's a slide based on the coordinates. This is just a slide. Okay. Why do you think this error occurred here? What's one reason why this error occurred? Why would they interpret this as it being doubled? They've actually done something here. It's a common misconception. So if you did this, don't be too alarmed that you made a mistake, because it's common. Is that?
Because they just added one here.
They added them together, right? They put them together. So that's what they did to make it look like it's double. Okay? The image had to be double itself from the image. Okay? And we saw here, remember we talked about finding the area too, how this has an area of 4. Combined, it does have an area of 8. But it's not, the image is not double the size. So there's a misconception. Anyone else want to give it a shot?
We actually made the same mistake. So we thought that we should, the area is 4. So we thought we should do, if we want to double it, we should multiply it by 2. So we did 4 times 2, and we got 8. And then this is sort of like a reflection also. So we thought that this was the shape that it will turn after.
Did you hear what he said? He said, and just like the other group, they said, we thought we would double. And they just doubled the area. But I think that doubling the area is not the way to do it. What do you think you need to double? Because remember, we're doubling the shape. The two groups who've shared their answers have just doubled the final part of it. What could you have doubled? Now that you think about it, you know that the final step, like you guys doubling this here, it is incorrect. But you know that 4, when it's doubled, is 8. We've established through, me right now, that is incorrect. So, but doubling is something that has to happen. Where does the doubling need to happen? Sarah? What about the sides? So now, if this side is 2 down, if you double it, how many squares down will it go? Ilyas?
It'll be like 4.
Okay, so now this here, this length, or width, whatever you want to call it, is 2. So this will turn into 4. What will this turn into as well? Sarah?
4.
Sorry, I meant, okay, yeah, 4. So now if this is 4, and that's 4, what's the area? Isha? It's going to be 16. Okay, so you took it as the final answer must be doubled, whereas now we're learning that the length and the width needs to be doubled. Okay, so here's an example of a group who did not double their final answer. Can you tell us what you did?
So first,
What did you and your partner do here?
me and my partner found out the coordinates for the original shape.
Okay.
So over here, so
Okay.
we multiplied 1 by 2 and 6 by 2, which gave us the coordinates of this.
Interesting. So you just went and multiplied the coordinates first, and then it gave you, so you plotted these ones here. So let's actually plot your points right now. Okay. Just so we can have more of a visual reference here. So point C is 1, 4. D is 3, 4. 1, 7. No, sorry, 1, 6. 1, 6. And 3, 6. So you multiplied each 1 by 2. So A should have been 212,
Yeah.
which it is 212. 6, 12?
Yeah.
6, 12. D should be 2, 8.
Yeah.
Yep. Whoops. 2, 8. And then D prime, 6, 8. Yep. Okay. So they took it as, let's multiply the coordinates and then we get our shape. This, in fact, is what you do when you're doing this type of math. If you Google this, you're going to find it referenced in 2 ways online. I've seen it called dilations, and then I've also seen it called dilatations.